Have you ever felt like your living room is missing something? That your TV, no matter how big or smart, just isn't living up to its full potential? Well, what if I told you there's a little black box that can completely transform your entire home entertainment experience? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Apple TV 4K. And trust me, this is way more than just a streaming device. Let's start with the heart of this machine. The A15 Bionic chip, yes. That's the same powerhouse chip you find in the iPhone 13 and 14. What does that mean for your TV? It means everything is unbelievably fast. Apps launch instantly. Navigating menus is buttery smooth. And there's absolutely zero lag. It's like upgrading your TV's brain to a supercomputer. And that speed directly impacts your viewing experience. The Apple TV 4K supports both Dolby Vision and HDR10+. In simple terms, this gives you the best possible picture your TV can produce. The colors are incredibly vibrant. The blacks are deep and inky. And the contrast is just stunning. Watching a movie like Dune or Blade Runner 2049, and this feels like you're seeing it for the first time. The level of detail and color accuracy is truly cinematic. It automatically calibrates the picture, so you get a director-approved image without messing with confusing settings. Now, let's talk about the remote. The Siri remote is a game changer. It's got this sleek aluminum design that feels premium in your hand, and the touch-enabled clickpad makes scrolling through content a breeze. But the real magic is the Siri button. You can ask it to find action movies with Tom Cruise, or rewind 15 seconds, or even what's the weather like tomorrow. It's incredibly intuitive and works flawlessly. No more typing out movie titles one letter at a time with a clunky on-screen keyboard. But the Apple TV 4K isn't just for watching movies. It's a complete entertainment hub. If you're a gamer, Apple Arcade turns your TV into a console. You can connect the PlayStation or Xbox controller and play hundreds of amazing games without any ads or in-app purchases. Titles like Fantasia and NBA 2K24 look and play beautifully on the big screen. Thanks to that, a 15 chip, it's also the central command for your smart home. With HomeKit integration, you can view your security cameras right on your TV. Imagine you're watching a movie and a notification pops up showing who's at your front door. You can see a live feed, picture-in-picture, without ever leaving the couch. You can also control your lights, thermostat, and other smart devices using the Siri remote. It truly brings your smart home together. And the ecosystem integration is where Apple really shines. If you have an iPhone, you can use it to type passwords, or even color calibrate your TV screen. With Apple Fitness Plus, you can work out with world-class trainers, with your Apple Watch stats displayed live on screen. And with SharePlay, you can watch movies or shows with friends and family over FaceTime. Perfectly synced up, it's this seamless connection between devices that makes the whole experience feel so polished and effortless. So, is the Apple TV 4K worth it? If you're just looking for a basic way to watch Netflix, maybe not. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you want the absolute best streaming quality, a fantastic gaming experience, and a powerful smart home hub all in one sleek package, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's the device that finally makes your smart TV actually feel smart. It's not just an accessory, it's the brain of your living room. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Apple TV 4K? See you in the next one.